If you're looking to stop weeds from growing on your property, then look for herbicides made with Prodiamine. Prodiamine is an active ingredient in some herbicides that prevent weeds and other undesirable plants. In this video, we'll teach you about the active ingredient itself and show you how to use popular products made with it. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Prodiamine is an active ingredient used in the making of different pre-emergent herbicides. It was first registered for use in the United States in 1992. It's used to control weeds in the non-crop areas of residential and commercial properties. Products made with Prodiamine are often available in granular formulations, but there are also liquid concentrates and ready-to-use products. Products made with Prodiamine are made to control grassy and broadleaf weeds. Always check your product's label for a list of controlled species. Prodiamine herbicides work as pre-emergents. They prevent weeds from sprouting or germinating, so you won't have to deal with them were they to emerge. Prodiamine interferes with root growth, preventing plants from developing. Continued control can result in the elimination of targeted weeds. Prodiamine herbicides are safe to use when applied according to their product label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when applying herbicides and keep them out of reach of any children or pets. Exposure via consumption, inhalation, or direct skin contact may cause harm. When applied to plants in a liquid formulation, always wait for the product to dry completely before letting people or pets around the area. Prodiamine can often be mixed with other active ingredients in some products. Always read your product's label thoroughly before use. Barricade is a granular pre-emergent herbicide used to control a wide spectrum of broadleaf and grassy weeds. Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. Depending on your turfgrass species, you'll apply 1.5 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least half an inch of water. An additional application may be made after 6 months for year-round weed prevention. If you have a large area that needs control, check out Prodiamine 65 WDG. Prodiamine 65 WDG is a water-dispersible granule that must be mixed with water before application. Like Barricade, this product will also provide pre-emergent control of labeled weeds. We recommend you mix this product with a backpack sprayer or a spray rig. For general application in turf, evenly distribute 1 pound of product per 1 acre of treatment area. After application, wait 14 days, then water the treated area with half an inch of irrigation or rainfall. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can eliminate and control grassy weeds and broadleaf weeds on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.